Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, we are back in the shoe shop. I've got another project from the box that's almost empty. It's almost, this is it. It's a hexagonal, octagon or hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's an octagon mirror. It's dirty. And the gold would be fine. I mean, we could put the gold in and you could, I bought it for $1. The gold would be fine, except that the frame itself has like, some of the gold has rubbed off. So, geez, did I pay $1 for it or $1.99? I don't know. One sells it for $1, Goodwill sells it for more. You hate that. Anyway, I gotta do something with it. It's gotta be updated and out the door. So I think since we started doing some rose gold stuff, like I got the frame that we did, this would be kind of cute rose gold. And there's not really a hanger on the back though. I'm looking at it going, what the heck? No one's gonna want to hang it like that. Well, that's a thinker. Oh yeah, I have a conundrum, guys. How to hang this mirror. I think I'm gonna have to drill it. So we're gonna have to get the mirror out. I'm trying to get the freaking dollar tag off. Okay, got the price tag off the front. Let's see, can I remove the mirror? No. No, I cannot. If I do, it's stapled in. The back is stapled on. Hang on. Yep, that's it. That's all it's holding it in. All that was holding it in is this piece of cardboard. It's not holding it in anymore. I'm hosed. Okay. So, without the reflecting light back on you, you can see where the gold has come off in places on this plastic. Well, it gives me an opportunity to take this in the other room. I'm going to scrub this so it's all washed up and clean, and because you can, anyway, I'm gonna go clean it. I'm back. All right, so I washed that. It's setting outside, letting it dry. I am going to use Kills Adhesion. This is made for slippery surfaces. It's made for laminates. It's made for painting on things that you need it to grip, and there's nothing to grip to, because I could sand this. Oh no. We will worry about how we're gonna attach the mirror to the frame after we paint it and get a hanger on it, which maybe I should drill for a hanger right now, because then I'm not wrecking the new paint job. So you can see there's a keyhole hanger and then whatever the heck this is, right? So Burlwood product, sometime probably in the 1970s. I can't read Roman numerals. Blame the public school system. I need to put on a new hanger. What hanger should we use? Let's just do a picture wire. I will drill actually right there and right there, since those holes are already prepped there. What I'm going to do is just drill pilot holes in their holes that they've got here. way through? Bloody hell. All right, that sucked. Hey, might as well make it match. I have to fill them now. Shoot. Guess I thought that this would be in there for some reason. This was in the thicker part. I don't know why. That was stupid. Huh. I'm stupid. Me. Shut up. There we go. I honestly God don't know why I thought that was in the thicker part. Just wasn't thinking. I wasn't thinking. Can't think every day. It's a lot of pressure, guys. We're just going to give it a good coat of adhesion. Okay, I did 2 coats. I tried to even out the color as much as possible because what I learned when doing the other frame was that this is not a very good coverage. You know, it doesn't, it's just not. Like, even is better. So this is now dry. It's warm because I used a hairdryer on it. That should be okay. It should be all right. It should be all right. It should be all right. And this is such a pretty color. It's such a pretty paint. Let's get in here first. Don't leave an edge, boy. This stuff leaves a ridge. Slightly fussy to work with. First coat done. Already looks 110% better. Why do I pick the hardest things to paint this stuff on? All right, let's let that dry. Coat 2. I don't know what the best method to doing this is. Like, do you start on the outside? Do you start on the inside? I'm just going after it. Okay, the paint is a little soft, so I put a cloth down so that it would protect it and not get scratched on any of this crap that's down here. But I'm just going to use hot glue because it's what I have. And we are going to adhere the mirror. Do I wish I had something better? Of course I do, but we're using what we have. My hand's a little unsteady today. Okay, that should hold the mirror in place. Some of these did not hit the right place. Pull in there. At each of the corners here. Just hold it in. Right. And then instead of struggling with that Goodwill sticker, I'm gonna just face that towards the mirror. I'm gonna glue it down. Ooh, pretty. Let's let that dry. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. I gotta get the hanger on, and I don't want to mess with it. Well, it's still tacky, so I'm just going to, you can see yourselves. There you go. It's a beautiful, beautiful mirror, but we still have to hang it. So let's let that dry. My last little eye pins here. I'm gonna go right in there. I don't want it to go through the other side. I'll leave it about there. All right. Picture wire. This will make it a lot easier for anybody that wants to hang it. Are you ready to see? Now you gotta see me because otherwise you're gonna be blinded by the lights. But isn't it great? It's fantastic. I love the pink. It's not pink, it's rose gold, right? But I think it'll go great with that other frame that I've got going on. And it's different. I mean, you'll find this in gold all over the place. It was probably home interiors, but it's just a fun update. Yay, another Doom Pile project. Oh, the door. Let's get a price tag on it. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.